What time is your lunch break? At 12 o'clock. It's 5 to 2. Great! We still have 5 minutes until the meeting starts. I'm going to grab a cup of coffee. It's only 10 minutes to 3. What time does the meeting end? It's a quarter to 4. It should end in about 15 minutes. It's dark outside. What time is it? It's 20 to 5. It looks like it's going to pour. Don't you have a train to catch? It's 25 to 6. There's still enough time. I can't believe the time. It's already 6 o'clock. Oh no, I'm late. I have a train to catch. Am I late? Did I miss my train? Yes, you just missed it. It left 5 minutes ago. It is 6:30 now. Excuse me, what time is the next train? The next one is at 7:25. Excuse me, do you have the time? Yes, it's 8:20. Excuse me, can I still buy something from your shop? Sure, it's only 9:15. There's still plenty of time. Buddy, where are you? It's 10:10 already. The game is about to start. I have just arrived home. I'll call you back. Hello, buddy. Did you see the penalty kick? Oh, it's 11:05. Sorry, pal. I think I must have dozed off.